Alright, now I got my light on. See, I cleaned everything above the bracket and everything inside the body mount in the front. Everything's solid at the top, and just like the back, this little seam that seems to run seems to separate the thin part from the thick part. Kind of weird. So what we're going to do is, we got this all down to the metal now. I got this 3/16 inch piece of steel right here. It's going to go in here. It's cut to fit. We're going to weld it right into the bracket. We're going to weld it right up into the strong part of the frame, and we're going to sock those body mounts right into it. Later, after I get the angle iron on the other side, this piece will come right in tight to this and face this whole thing off. Tie that right in nicely, and that's when we'll do the other side of the body mount. Here's the piece of angle iron. It's going to go up underneath the bottom here. It's going to weld right into that. You can see there's a little tiny lip there, just enough for us to weld nicely. That'll go on later. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime behind, I'm going to paint behind this with black paint everywhere that we're not going to weld. And right up to where I'm going to weld is where I'm going to put the weld-through primer on all of this. So the majority of the metal behind this is going to actually have Rust-Oleum paint on it.